Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here with Paul Sherry Ram. We've got a really unique cargo van to show you today, but as you're going to find out, it's not just a cargo van. And this van, we're going to get the question, we actually have 5 of these in stock, and where we come about them, they're 2019s that are pre-owned with around 100 miles on them. A company actually purchased these brand new from ATS, which is the conversion company that did all the cool stuff that we're about to show you inside. They purchased them from ATS brand new, and then this thing called COVID hit, and they were unable to use them. So we, in turn, have just recently purchased all 5 of them off that company, and we've partnered with ATS, and ATS says, hey, look, since they've never been used, we're still gonna honor our 3-year unlimited mile warranty on everything that we've done. So all the conversion stuff that I'll show you here in the back still has the 3-year unlimited mile warranty, and then the ProMaster side on the chassis side still will have remainder of factory warranty on that. So let's take a look here. So this is a Ram 2500 window van, and in the back here we'll go ahead and open it up and show you the cool things that this van can do. So ATS is a wheelchair conversion company, but we've had many of these vans in the past, and we found that there's a lot of uses outside of just wheelchair mobility transportation. Of course, this is great for that, but it's also great for a number of business uses, which we'll show you here. So this particular one has a nice aluminum ramp. It's very easy to come in and out. It's assisted by 2 hydraulic filled shocks that help you and both putting it back in the van and bringing it out of the van like this. It's nice and wide. I believe it's about 3 foot wide, slip resistant, how the little cutouts are in the ramp itself. And you might say, Mike, that's a little steep. Well, let me show you this. We got you figured out here. This has hydraulic down on the rear shock. So what this does, this drops the van about 5 to 6 inches to allow, you can see the van going down, to allow for a nice gentle approach here with the ramp. And it's a nice long ramp. Brian will show footage of me. I got a little dolly, and it's super easy to dolly it up and out of this van, and same with wheelchairs. So this is big thing that ATS has done is add this rear ramp, add the hydraulic down. Also the whole flooring system. So this was a cargo van. They've done the floor with a tie-down system in the floor known as the Q-Straight tie-down system. I've got one right here for demonstration. It comes with actually 8 of these, and these are great. You know, these are how you secure your wheelchair on all 4 corners, but also if you're strapping down different items, they're kind of a fancy ratchet strap, I call them, and they go in and out real easy, and they're self-retracting just by pushing that button there. So nice and easy, and they can be anywhere in this track system here. They can actually go anywhere where these seats are. These seats are just bolted into the same track system. There's 4 of them. They come with their own seat belts, so they can be moved anywhere about this track system, and they can also be removed just with simply a ratchet strap or a ratchet tool to get in. So this particular one is designed, if you are watching this video for wheelchair purposes, for up to 4 wheelchairs. You notice here in the side pillars, it does have your side strap belt, and it's got 4 of them here. Also notice in here the walls and the roof, LED lighting in here have all been fully completed. In addition to that, if you're going to be back here maybe hauling some type of perishable good, you need this space to be heated and air conditioned, and it is. It's got your heat and air conditioning. The vents are right up here. Cold air returns right near the rear of the van, so it really allows for a nice circulation. And all the nice big windows in here really makes for a nice ride inside of this van. So we're going to go ahead and break, and then we'll talk about the side and the front of this van. Stay tuned. All right, so we got the nice big sliding side door, right? That's big enough if you wanted to fit a pallet in there with a forklift, you could. Of course, these seats have to be removed. Speaking of the seats, there's 3 across this and 1 in the back. Again, these are individual seats, so you can just have 1 in this row. You could have 2, you could have 3, how it is now. So you can design it in any of those configurations you can really imagine along this whole track floor. The seats themselves do recline, and they have little armrests which are kind of comfortable here. And the reason you're able to move these anywhere is they have built-in seat belts into the actual seat, as you can see right here. So that's really nice, and also the seat belt clips right there as well. So that's the seats in the back. Let's go ahead and take a look up front here. So as we get up front here, this van is equipped with a couple of nice things you don't often see on just plain cargo vans. One, it's got speed control, which is your cruise control. Also, it's got right here, I'll go ahead and get it started, has your color radio that also doubles as your backup camera. So there's a camera back there, and it's going to help you in backing up, in addition to those parking sensors that'll also beep if you get really close to something. Seats themselves are a commercial vinyl grade material, and the seats are fully adjustable. You can recline them, you can adjust the base and all that right there. On the steering wheel itself, we've got radio controls. You have volume and tuning for the radio, as well as your hands-free connectivity for your phone. This particular one has 110 miles. Like I said, we currently have 5 in stock. These will sell really fast. It's super hard to find cargo vans and used mobility vans right now. This kind of does both. So I hope this maybe has your brain juices flowing to see how this can work for you and the needs for transportation, whether you're transporting goods or people that you have. And by all means, feel free to give us a call. One of our salespeople on staff are trained and ready to answer the questions that you have about these particular vans. So thank you so much for watching. All right, it's me again. Just one more thing here. Let's pack it up. Notice how easy it is. It clips in. There's 2 little seatbelt latches there, and then these doors will come closed. And you might be saying, Mike, how's it gonna raise up? Brian, take a look at this. See it popping up? Automatically raises up when you shut the doors. So, all right, we'll talk to you soon.